Hey guys, we are reviewing Elfin hair. They send me tape ins in the body wave texture, 24 inches, and these are 80 pieces, so you should expect 40 packets. That's a we kept from them, and a edge comb, and they are called, just telling you guys about them, what they're offering, discounts that you can get, and another nice comb with lashes. I also got this tape things. I think they hold your hair when you are putting the tapings. I'm not sure what that's for, but yeah, and also instructions on how to maintain their hair, what to do, what to use, and when to use it, which is a good thing because I've never seen a company that does that. This is actually the first company I've worked with, and they actually do that. Now I'm just showing you guys the tape ins, and that's the first tape in, and I'm just showing you guys the texture. So basically now I'm trying to like press my hair because I do have a different texture than the tape ins that I received, so I'm really trying hard to blend it together. So my stylist is trying to press my natural hair so that it can blend well with the tape ins. So basically what she's doing now, she's sectioning the part that we're going to leave out, because remember the tape ins must blend with your actual hair, and also putting aside the part where we will be putting the tape ins, basically braiding down now the part we're going to leave out so that it does not disturb us while we are trying to install this. And that's her first install. This is my first time doing this style. So basically what you do, you take a tape in, put one underneath your hair and one on top, and press them together with your hair in between. Also I did leave the hair in between the lines, if that makes sense. As you can see, she is sectioning my hair and taking very thin lines because the tape in need to be taped together. See, now she's putting that thing that separates my hair from each other, and now she's gonna section another part. This is where she's gonna put the tape in and put another tape on top. So basically this is what I was trying to explain to you guys. Also, as I was saying, this is my first time doing tape ins, and I was so excited because I really had no idea how these are going to look on me. But yeah, so far so good. As you guys can see, it's quite a longer process, and I'm not sure if a person can do this by themselves, but I do know I cannot do this alone. I need some assistance because I cannot reach the back of my head, but I do know there are people who can, but I'm not one of those. Okay, so now we are on top, like we are almost done, and I'm excited. So now I'm just trying to show you here what I want. I want to be able to tie it up, I want to be able to have a middle part, I want to be able to have a side part, whatever style I feel like doing. So now I'm just checking if everything goes well together. But as you can see, those are the tables, and that 80 piece is actually a lot. Look at how full that hair is. Yeah, but you can still see that there's two different textures, but we are hoping it's gonna blend eventually as we try to press it down together, and that's what she's trying to do here. And also she has unbraided the part that she braided, and now I feel like my hair has a different color than my tapings, but which is not that far from the actual taping. So I asked her to curl the hair together. I'm hoping that the tape ends will really blend with my hair, and that's basically what she's trying to do here, just curling my hair. And she's using now the Tresemme hold spray. This spray is perfect for holding curls, but with this unit, or rather these tape ins, they came in body wave texture, meaning they came in a curled form, so it shouldn't be hard for them to hold the curl, but I'll let you guys know about that. But yeah, so far so good, and that's her just doing the whole process, and me trying to show you guys the whole thing because I don't want you guys to miss a thing. And I think I did justice for myself when I wanted this hair to be curled, because I feel like if I did have it straight, my hair was really going to show, especially having my hair in different texture and color. And that's my stylist burning herself with that curling iron. So yeah, just trust the process, and yeah, I'm quite happy with this whole thing. Look at it. That's her still trying to curl me up, and we are at the top of my hair. And now she needs to be very careful, because I did tell her that I want a side part, but also I want to be able to have it in the middle when I feel like it. And now she is just coming out those curls, and look how they hold, guys. Look at how beautifully they hold, and look at me, I look amazing. Yes, I did tell you guys to trust the process. And that is me close up, just showing you guys how it really looks. Actually, I feel like curling it made it blend it very much better. And that is me. I did my makeup off camera, but that is the finished look, guys. I think I look really pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I think the tape-ins are a convenient hairstyle, because you know what, I can tie my hair up, I can style it sideways and middle part if I want to. But overall, I'm very happy, and yeah, also the curl holds. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.